Okay, last chunk. So I opened up the other app that said the clock app. Well, look, the only difference between the circles that we had on the last video, the fraction app, these circles are exactly the same. They just have numbers on them. Okay, so what I did was add a clock, and then you can overlay it with the fractions, the lines. And on this one, this is one whole pizza, one whole whatever. And I can click here and I can move this hand and just go round and round. This is only one-handed clock. This is the minute hand. So just like 0 is at the top of our other number line, I don't even pay attention to those numbers. I couldn't get a clock on here with no numbers. I wish I had none of those on there. But there would be 0 at the top, 0 minutes. Don't even know where that went. So I'm going to put 0 back up here. 0. So now I'm going to move this hand and we're going to count by 5s. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So remember whenever we were right in the middle of that half of a half, what number we said a while ago when we got right there? It was 15. What is that word? 15. 15 minutes for this big hand. Now let's start counting again. 15. 16, 17, 18. Oh, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what I'm trying to do is count ones for the little line and then grab that hand and move here. There's 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there's 30 right at the bottom. So 30 again. That's why a clock or hour has 60 minutes in the whole thing. And then we can partition it just like on this clock that's already been partitioned into those 4 parts. So that would be 15 minutes after the hour, 30 minutes. What's the next group of 15? Let's start back over here. 30, 35, 40, 45. So those are the things that you need to know today. You need to know how to skip count by 15s. And you need to know that when you skip count by 15s, you're actually skip counting into 4 equal chunks of an hour, 4 parts. So here are those parts again. So we've got 15 minutes here. That's 1/4 of that circle. And remember, now let's think about dollars and money. What 4 coins go together to make one whole dollar? What are the 4 coins that you can add? If you said a quarter, you're right. So a quarter of a dollar is 25 cents. A quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. Okay? Quar means, or quattro means 4. And the way you spell qua and you pronounce quarter like queen, quarter is 1/4 of something. So all I'm trying to do right now is just show you the fractions and relate it to the parts of a clock and telling time. Quarter after or quarter to. So when you're going in this way, you're going after. But whenever you're with marker and you're going back up, it's to until next hour. Thanks.